So as you can see, we have ordered two things from Amazon. One is having a Samsung A35 cell phone, and I think this one will have both TWS. Packing is quite intact, and they are not supporting this open box delivery such as Flipkart. I don't know, maybe it's their policy. So let us make a cut, right, on both the parcels. Right. So anyway, I think scissor will do. Okay. This is having a box, and likewise let me make a cut on this as well. The dimension of both this box are identical. Let me get rid of this bag first. Amazon do need to improve this quality of the packing. Okay. So we guessed it wrong. This is TWS, big bulky box which has high resolution and like support. We will get through this later. Now let us try to open it up. I don't know why this silver lining is here. Anyway, more garbage and worse quality of tapes. Yeah. So as you can see, the box says Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. This is the product information. I don't want to hide anything, right? Okay. And obviously seal is here, but the case with seal, right? This thing anyone can manipulate very easily, so don't just rely on the seal. Okay. Right. And we need to make one slight cut on here as well. So okay, this part will have, I think, documentation and SIM ejector tool, and maybe they will provide charging cable. Yes, white cable is here along with those documentation. And this is our device, guys. Okay, so do need to tear it out. Yeah, so this is the color. I see blue that is, dullish white or depressing purple, whatever you wish to say, right? But this has very similar design, old Samsung S23 like design, right? And although it is plastic, it still gives you premium feel. On that note, I conclude. Thank you. Have a nice day.